Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure to meet you all here at this wonderful summit and to introduce you Aston, the next document distribution platform. So my presentation consists of following parts. It's like blockchain as a document authentication platform, Aston project, the future of Aston, and for the additional information, you can visit our booth outside. So, blockchain as a document authentication platform. Aston is a complete decentralized document authentication platform built on innovative blockchain technology, XBlockSystems. Any documents that you think should be issued or submitted in a hard copy format will disappear through Aston. Currently, there are 4 dilemmas in the electronic document authentication market. Number 1 is risk of falsification and counterfeit. Soft copy is easy to copy and store, which increases the risk of falsification and counterfeit. The emergence of online authentication and notarization services. It's like emerging as a countermeasure to eliminate the risk of falsification and counterfeit. And also, emergence of a third party as a business agency with infrastructure. Number 4 is centralization of management and social inequality. Exposure to risks such as social inequality of digital power, hacking, and security vulnerability. So, we are developing a new alternative blockchain where the risk of falsification and counterfeit is eliminated. It is decentralized, and the profit will be distributed according to participation as a true P2P. Although the blockchain is an alternative to the current system, even it is not without its shortcomings. The linear blockchain becomes larger as transactions increase over time, and it becomes impossible to all participants to manage the entire blockchain, which will lead to such problems as undermining of decentralization, need for authentication scheme, etc. That's why we are developing the blockchain that can solve all these problems. XBlockSystems. Evolved blockchain. These are 3 advantages of building a blockchain through the multidimensional structure. It is ability to maintain and update selective blockchain. There is no change in the size of the main chain, and the addition of blocks with added information is done only in the subchain. It maintains the same level of distributed architecture as the public blockchain, minimizing the storage of blocks with different purposes. In the main chain, special blocks are created that have the same structure as an existing blockchain, but can also branch out. Subchain is an extended node starting from the main chain, but it can also form one complete and independent blockchain itself. The subchains are formed through intentional forks. Proof of workability is a key component of the consensus mechanism used with PBFT plus DPoS. Since the procedure of agreement for multiple blocks can proceed in parallel blocks, blocks belonging to different subchains can be proposed simultaneously. And now I will tell you about the bright future of our project. So, all documents that have been issued or distributed in the hard copy format in the healthcare sector, schools, or government agencies, financial institutions, logistics, etc., will disappear, and Aston will lead the global electronic document market. Expansion of Aston platform. As an expansion, There is a MCS, a medical certification service. It is currently commercializing its service in major hospitals. The above photo shows the MCS application in use. We were also selected as a pilot company for building online electronic voting system based on XBlockchain. And in May 2018, Handysoft, the sponsor of the project, adopted it. It's my great pleasure to introduce you Aston partners. We also have Aston Alliance that connects blockchain enterprises by building a global blockchain electronic document network. There are also Aston subchains that are being developed now: Hex, PEX, and Biscuit. Hex, healthcare evolution on XBlockchain. The subject of healthcare should be the individual himself. That's the main idea of this project. However, the access to medical information by individuals is very limited. And moreover, medical institutions are not linked with each other to share and exchange this medical information of individuals between each of us. That's why Hex aims to provide practical means to effectively manage personal health information based on Aston platform. Use cases of Hex. It is, number one, radiation dose management. It is possible to collect data distributed to various medical institutions and to manage individual cumulative exposure doses, etc. PHR services is like personal health record services, can be used to provide customized health services, set disease prevention and treatment goals, and track them. There is also a health information exchange, image exchange. It can prevent unwanted reinspections and duplication of prescriptions, and ultimately benefit from continuity of care and cost reduction. Through the health data research, we expect to analyze and provide refined, standardized health data, which will bring us to expansion into AI services. PEX, another subchain of Aston, is an ecosystem for international supply chains, a tool for optimization of costs and maximization of profits. Biscuit is a service that provides complete decentralized storage services to companies, public institutions, and individuals, as well as blockchain projects. And now you can also look through the information about the Aston coin. At the moment, we are currently listed on 4 exchanges, like Coinbene, CoinLink, CoinRail, and Cashierist. Thank you, everyone, for your attention, and you are always welcome to join us, to join our projects, and we are always welcome, and we'll be happy to become partners. Thank you very much. Have a good day.